So this is GBP JPY. I'm going to be using GBP JPY for this illustration. So first of all, if you look at my chart, you will see green lines and you see black lines. Black lines represent the key psychological level from the higher time frame, which is a monthly, weekly, and the daily time frame. To be precise. So every weekend, I normally do a top-down analysis on how I'm gonna trade the next week. Every weekend, I normally do a top-down analysis. So then from the week, then I'll start from the 4 hour time frame every day till another weekend. I do my top-down analysis. So basically, that's just how I do my analysis. So what you're seeing here is a top-down analysis of last week Saturday. This was a top-down analysis. So now here on the chart now, the more reasons for this video is for me to show you my entry strategy, my entry confirmation strategy. So you've already watched the video course of how to draw out your support and resistance. So this video is just for entry strategy, how you can go in your position, how to take entry whenever price gets to your zone, your point of interest, without emotion. Now this video is really going to help you, so I want you to watch this video to the end, so that because you're going to gain a lot from this video. This video is really going to help you to master, like help you to control your emotion whenever you're in a trade. So first of all, I'm seeing a level here. So let me just mark it out. I'm seeing the diagonal resistance here. So just gonna make this more relevant. Okay. All right. So I think that's the point there. So now I'm going to be using this green cycle as an illustration, so take note as I'm going to be using this. So first of all, there are three that I took since last week. So GBJPY has been doing the most, which GBJPY have been ranging for the past 5 days. GBPJPY have been ranging for the past 5 days. So if you look at this line here, there are periods to separator. You can actually set it in your MT5 if you want it. So I normally use this to separate the today from tomorrow. So it's not an indicator, it's just there on MT5, so you just need to activate it. It's not an indicator. So I don't use indicator from my weekly time frame. So I only use indicator. Only way you're going to see indicator on this chart is on the 15 minutes time frame. So I will want you to watch this video to the end. I really want you to watch this video to the end, although I don't want this video to be too long. So make sure you take your time, your pen and paper, so as you're going to be writing down every single step I'm going to be showing you on this video. So first of all, a quick recap of the trade I took last week. So last week from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday last week, I've been closing on break even, but Thursday, Friday was a different day for me. Thursday, Friday, I've been eating up profit back to back, especially on Friday. So this is the trade that I took. So from here now, this was Monday, this was Tuesday, this was Wednesday. So if you look at GPJPY, and you know me, GPJPY is the best, is my best pair, is the pair I trade mostly. So you can see on Monday, I took a trade. You can see there was no volatility in the market, which make me to close in break even. I think I closed in break even. Yeah. So on I think it was on Tuesday. I took this trade, but I closed this trade. I'm supposed to like target this one, but I think I closed this trade in break even as well. I closed this trade in break even because I think there was a fundamental which I look at for, so I had to close my trade before the news coming. So I closed in break even. Then on Wednesday, I as well closed in break even. So it was on Wednesday now that price actually showed me that this level is a very strong level. There should be a reaction to it. Now on Wednesday, price came to this point and reacted to it. I really did not take trade on Wednesday. I didn't take this trade on Wednesday. So price came to this level, reacted to it, came back the second time, reacted to it. It gave me it gave me a confirmation that this level is a very strong resistance level. If price should get to this level again, there should be a reaction. So I think it was on Thursday. On Thursday, when price get to this point, I took this trade here and I closed this trade in break even. So it was on Friday that was the pizza happened on Friday. So I'm a day trader. I don't normally hold my trade till the next day. I normally close my trade normally that day. So now on Friday, price came to this one, but this was an initial session. I wasn't able to take this trade. So when price came here, gave me a confirmation for a buy. Price gave me a confirmation for a sell, and I was done for the day. So Friday was a very nice day. So on Monday I took this trade, but I closed this. But the price hit my SL. Now how did I take this trade? I took a sell at this point. After confirmation, and my SL was around this point. When price gets to this point, this black line here, when price gets here, I drag my SL to break even, very close here. So price later come back and swept me out of the game because I tightened my SL. If my SL was still open, I think I wouldn't have closed this trade. But price came, you can see this little rejection. This rejection closed me out and I was out of the trade. It was a little bit, I feel bad a little bit, but not too bad because that's what the market wants to feel. So I just feel, okay, it's better I risk a little, or it's better I don't lose much down when I lose much. So even though the market goes my direction, it's still fine. I didn't feel bad at all. So today, which is Tuesday, the price came down here to this support level, and I was waiting for confirmation. I waited for this confirmation for hours before price gave me a confirmation, I took this buy and I was targeting this point. I thought this price was going to get to this point, but no. What price actually did, price gets to this point, and before then it was already 2 hours. After these two candles, I came and I dragged my SL to break even. After 1 hour, when price was around this point, I thought price would still push up, so I just dragged my SL to break even here. I tightened my SL here after 2 hours. Then after another 1 hour, which is 3 hours, I draw my SL to break even. Now price came and take me out, but I was still in profit. So that's the power of risk management. So the more reason why I'm making this video also, so that you can know how I take trade, how I enter trade every day. I normally tighten my SL when I'm in profit, like 2 hours. I tighten my SL if I'm in profit.